Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Geofence charging rule using EVgo app, full guide step by step clearly. Open the EVgo app on your smartphone. Log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to the settings menu, typically found in the bottom right corner. Look for the charging rules option within the settings. Select Geofence charging rules from the available options. Tap on the Add Geofence button to create a new rule. You'll be prompted to allow location access if you haven't done so. Once granted, use the map to find your desired charging location. Pinch and zoom to adjust the map for accurate placement. Place the geofence marker over the intended location. Adjust the radius of the geofence by dragging the Review the geofence details, ensuring the location and radius are correct. Select the parameters for the charging rule, such as charging times and rates. Confirm the settings by tapping Save or Create Geofence. You should see the new Geofence charging rule listed under your charging rules. Make sure to activate the rule if it's not already switched on. Your Geofence charging rule is now set and ready to use. You will receive notifications based on the selected parameters when you're near the geofence. Review and adjust your settings as necessary to optimize your charging experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.